Alright, in this video we're gonna now watch a video that's gonna explain your role in this unit. So in this role you're going to solve a mystery about a specific population called the rough-skinned newt. This means that you're going to be focusing on rough-skinned newts that live in a particular area. So the rough-skinned newt is the population. And if we go back to the warm-up, we can see that population is a group of the same type of organism living in the same area. So we'll be looking at rough-skinned newts living in a particular area. So now we're going to watch this video.
Sean? Over here. Finally, it's down here.
And you're sure this time?
Hurry up, take a picture before it gets away. What did I tell you? A poisonous newt.
This doesn't prove anything. It doesn't even look poisonous.
But I read about this guy that died from eating one, and this looks just like it. His friends dared.
That's horrible, but I doubt this is the same kind.
Let's go back and ask those rangers if you don't believe me.
Alright. Race ya.
Seriously?
Whoa, is everything okay, guys?
There aren't any poisonous newts in this park, are there?
What? We just found one, and we took a picture. Show her.
Yep, that's a rough-skinned newt, and they are poisonous.
Well, poisonous to bugs, maybe, but he's trying to tell me that these are the type that can kill people. Is that true?
Rough-skinned newts have dangerous poison all over their skin, and it is true people have died from eating them.
See, I told you. I read about a guy that ate a rough-skinned newt, and he was all dizzy, and his body went fully numb, and he was dead in 20 minutes.
Unfortunately, that really happened.
We were just a couple feet away from one. We're lucky to be alive.
Oh, you weren't in any real danger. Rough-skinned newts are very shy. Just don't bother them, and they won't bother you.
So, are you like a newt expert?
Well, sort of. I'm a wildlife biologist here at the park, and we're researching the rough-skinned newts.
Why are they so poisonous?
A lot of visitors have the same question, and so far we have some interesting clues. We know that the newt population has changed over time. There are more individuals with very high levels of poison now than there were in the past.
These newts have gotten more poisonous over time?
That's right.
I wonder how they got so poisonous.
Excellent question. That's one of the things we're trying to find out. Actually, if you guys don't mind, could you show me where you found that newt?
Yeah.
Sure. Why do you want to see the first?
So I can mark it on our map and we can return there to make observations.
Cool.
Your favorite noise. Okay, so as you heard in the video, some of these newts are poisonous enough to kill a human, but the population did not always have so many individuals who are extremely poisonous. So we're going to investigate why the population changed over time. So we have a message from Dr. Alex Young, and it says, "Hello, student biologists. I would like to ask for your help in investigating the following claims. These claims were brought to us by park visitors. So claim 1, some people think that some newts became more poisonous because they wanted to. Newts do seem like smart creatures. So claim 1 is saying that they became more poisonous because they wanted to. Claim 2 says others suggest something in the environment caused the newts to become more poisonous. So we need to find out more about these claims. So I want you to pause the video, and I want you to think about these claims and think about your initial thoughts on which of these claims you think it might be, or if you think it could be both, and just think about the two claims. And when you're done, come back and press play. Alright, now that you've thought about these two different claims, we're going to talk about the unit question in the chapter 1 question. So, let me get the unit question here. So the unit question, I don't know if you guys can see that. Well, So the unit question is, why do populations change over time? So like the rough-skinned newts, why in Oregon State Park did they change over time? So we're going to begin by trying to figure out the answers to this question. And that's the chapter 1 question, is what caused this newt population to become more poisonous? So we know that there's more poisonous newts in the Oregon State Park. So what caused them to become more poisonous?